This is dinner. We have some delicious Jamaican dinner here today. Here we have some fried chicken. And on the other side, we have some fried plantain. And here is my delicious pat of curried tripe and bean. Tastes so delicious, guys. Yes. And this is ready. So we're going to put that aside. And here we have our rice and peas all ready to serve. Yes, and we have our salad resting in the fridge. So here is the finished dish, guys, all served up. Yes, so happy Sunday, and do like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and catch you in another long form video. Do enjoy, guys, and share with your friends. Video of this curry tripe and bean coming soon. Stay tuned. So rate this one, guys, from 1 to 10 in the comment section. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.